Hello everybody. If you watch my other video which shows how to use this remote, which happens to be an ONB13AV004 with this digital TV converter, TB100MW9, you know that you have to program this remote with a code 2941. But if you're wondering whether the auto scan works or how to do the auto scan, here's how you do it. Once you've got the remote programmed to turn on and off this set-top box, all you need to do is turn on the set-top box with your newly programmed remote, press the setup key, press the info key, and you will see the setup menu, including auto scan, and use your up-down channel buttons to make your selection and press OK, and you can auto scan your set-top box with your new remote.